Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Friday, January the 10th. The time is 4 a.m. GMT. Today we will be looking at the chart of the Dow Jones Future. This is YMF 60 minutes chart, and as we can see here, indices continue to extend higher to new all-time high. So what are we looking at and what can we expect here? As we can see on the chart, this rally here ended with 3 in blue degree, and then the pullback here. This was the pullback after the Iran news on the attack in Iraq against the US military base. So we got a little bit of sell-off, but then after that it continues to rally again. So as you can see, it is a nice 3-year pullback, okay, reaching the 100%, and then buyers appear again and bring it to a new all-time high. Now what do we expect here based on the chart here is that we are now within the wave 5, which is the last wave, right? And this 5 waves up, that is clearly impulsive from here. That rally over there is going to end with 105, right? It's going to end with 105, which means later on the pullback should be able to find buyers again as far as we can stay above this Iran news low. Okay, then we should be able to extend higher again and continue to extend within the wave 5. All right, so this is the most aggressive view, of course, within the indices, and we should be the most aggressive because there is no reason not to, right? And if I look at the larger degree to give you an alternate option and also some other consideration, this is partial label. All right, this is partial label. If you want a complete label in all different time frames, you can always check in the member area. We have 14 days free trial, and the link is provided in the description of the video below. So here, if we look at it from the August 6 low, okay, now I'm putting this 3 and 4 in blue here that we see in the 1 hour chart on the daily chart here. This is your 3 and 4. So this is clear. Then we are now in the wave 5. You can see clearly a 5 waves from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then now 5. And we will be ending with 105, right? Soon. It is not a sell. All right, it is not a sell. It can keep extending higher whatever it wants. So we will soon end with 105, and then do a pullback in the wave 2, and then continue higher again to extend higher within this wave 5 in blue. All right, now the alternate suggests that instead of pulling back in the wave 2, instead of ending with 105, that could be your entire wave 5, right? So instead of ending with 105, that could be your entire wave 5. Now in this case, what happens is, then this is your wave 3 here because there's another 1 and 2 here, and then we're gonna get a bigger pullback, which is not the end of the world even if we do get a bigger pullback, because that will be a, you know, like a wave 4 type of pullback, which is a bigger pullback, but still it is a pullback. And then after that it is going to extend higher again, right? So this is the alternate scenario in case you know, the wave 5 does not extend, but otherwise the most aggressive view, which is what we can be looking here in the 1 hour chart, suggests even in the shorter cycle we could still continue to extend higher within the wave 5 in blue. The degree is in the wave 5 in blue. All right, so you can see if you draw a simple trend line, notice here it found support in the trend line and rally again. Now obviously if ever this pivot give up this previous low here, then obviously if that pivot give up, we will also break this trend line. Now once we do get a break and close below that trend line, then you know that we are looking for larger degree correction, right? It's no longer going to hold above here. If even if it just breaks below the you know, close below this trend line, most likely it's gonna break below that previous low here. and then that suggests that we can see a larger degree pullback. So that trend line is going to be some sort of early warning for us, whether we can keep pushing it in the more aggressive manner, or we need to be maybe expecting a slightly larger degree pullback before the index rally again. So if you enjoyed this video, please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you all again next week. Okay, have a nice weekend, everyone.